morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel.
No fights outside.
Later. Alright, so it is a Friday morning, and what a way to start the day. Look at snow cover, almost as in I'm dreading. I don't know if you can see properly. On days where I don't think I've ever seen this much snow cover in Darlington. Like, we don't really get that much snow like this. And I'm already dreading going out. But these children, they want to just bath and get ready for school. Jesus is Lord. Asha, today is a wellies day. Oh, you're not putting on your normal shoes. You're putting on your wellies.
Oh,
did you hear me?
I need to wear our jacket. Mommy, you didn't call me.
I said you're putting on your wellies today. You're not putting on your normal shoes. You have to put on your wellies.
Jacket.
You guys, let me get this boys ready so we can go out. It's still snowing, you know, like it's still going. So, peace, all the best. Welcome to the channel, by the way. My intro is also all over the place. If you're new here, you're more than welcome. Please do want to subscribe, hit the bell button, and you get notified every time we post new videos. Alright, you guys, let me quickly rush and get this boys ready. I will start the vlog. Come out. Wait for me. Let me lock the door. Just watch out for the cars, okay?
Okay. Now that snow is dirty.
No, don't walk on the road, Asha. Not on the road. On the sidewalk. Maintain the sidewalk, please. It's not open. Is it open? 10. Oh, we have to go back. School is not open yet. Like the huge balls. Morning. Like, I've never seen this kind of snow. Oh. No, not this thick before.
Here.
No, Darlington, never. Come back. It's coming. It's coming.
I want to play with the snow.
Come take.
Thank you. I got a lot of snow.
It's a big one. Let's go.
It's so heavy. Oh, melt in your house and dead. So heavy.
Come on, let's go. So the school opens by 10. Obviously, nobody's going to be open, or there's really no teacher in school yet. Let's go, Daniel. Let's go back in. We'll come back again, okay? Let's go. Hello, lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in a thrift store. I've decided to bring you thrifting, and I'm just going to show you around. I've picked out what I want, but then I'll do the unboxing when I get home. But let me just show you around so you get to see what they have.
Somebody's buying polo. Somebody's buying polo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
There are lots of ornaments in this glass, so they have been kept separate. There's an antique clock over there. I have some cotton bits. We have some bottles in there, some bags for storage. I don't know what these are for. These are letter trays. Oh, like for an office section. Then I have some baking bits in there, a rug. In this section, I have some cooking equipment, pots and pans and things like that. So yeah. There's lots of things to look at and to sift from. So a typical thrift store will have different things. Some are bigger than this, some are smaller than this. But the reason why I like coming to this particular one is because they have a lot of things and at really ridiculous prices. So this is a double duvet cover, and this is £2. And sometimes it comes with pillowcases. So there's a lot to choose from. They have a lot of varieties.
Somebody's buying polo. Somebody's buying polo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Is a waffle maker, but even though I'm looking for a waffle maker right now, I'm not going to get this one because it's in the shape of animals. I don't think I want. They're not going to be big enough. I'm not going to be big enough. Some more antique pieces, some suits and coats, shoes.
Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels.
So there's a lot to see, but because I'm in a hurry, some of these items have also been sold. Washing machine and fridges.
Somebody's buying polo. Somebody's buying polo. I need your love today.
There's a lot of different choices to choose from. So if you're ever in the Darlington area and you want to check this place out, it's called King's Center. I'll try to leave the address on there, but I'm just going to pay for the things that I've gotten, and you guys, I'll see you when I get home for the unboxing. Okay, remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the course of the vlog. Alright, so this thing caught my eye. I found this really good fruit bowl, and it was such a large fruit bowl, and I had to get it. So I got this for £3, and this is such a steal because if you were to get this fruit bowl elsewhere, I know I'm going to be paying like serious money. And it takes about one big bag of apples, 2 bags of easy peelers, and then I have some lemons in there as well. I also picked up this flower pot that is similar to one that I had before, and I put my rose in this thing. I don't know if you guys remember, but from I think last year I did a video with Love Link and I had rose petals, and I saved the stem and I put it in the soil, and I put two of them in the soil and only one is doing well now. So I have a rose plant growing in my kitchen. I also picked up this frother. This is such a great tool to have. You can use it to whisk eggs. You can also use it to mix your tea and froth milk. So if you're into cappuccino and all of that thing, this is something you like to have. So this is how it works, and it is battery operated, and I absolutely love it. I've been meaning to get it for a while. I saw it on Shein and I wanted to buy it there, but then I saw it at the thrift store and it was £1 as well. Yeah, the flower pot was also £1. So it's a really great tool to have. And this is the highlight of my buy at the thrift store. I found this milk carton. This is a ceramic milk carton. It retails for £3 originally, but I picked it up for like £1 at the thrift store. So if you are not patronizing the thrift store, you guys, I don't know, you're missing out on one or two things because these prices are really ridiculous, and it's just a really good way to upcycle. So last and not the least, I picked up this pair of shoes, and there's nothing I can tell you about it. These are TU women shoes, and this is the size 8. I haven't worn it since I bought it, but I really love the shoes. It's a wet looks kind of shoes. I love that it has platforms and everything. So it's really good. If you guys are not patronizing thrift stores and you're buying cha all the time, I envy you because I want to be like you when I grow up. I mean, this shoe's hardly worn. Like you can see the sole is still clean. I think this person only wore it once or twice or so, and then just gave it out. So I bought this for £2. I don't know if I mentioned that before. So yeah, that's it guys. That's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I wasn't able to film an outro, so please let this suffice. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.